the graticule. Make friends with the globe. Observe the globe and answer the following. What are the horizontal lines on the globe called? Answer. The horizontal lines on the globe are called parallels of latitudes. List the continents and oceans through which the equator passes. Answer. The continents through which the equator passes: South America, Africa, and Asia. Oceans through which the equator passes: Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Encircle the intersection of 0-degree meridian and 0-degree parallel on the globe. At which two parallels do all the meridians converge? Answer. All the meridians converge at the North Pole and the South Pole. When we talk about various places, regions, rivers, roads, etc., we are actually talking with reference to the Earth. The location of a place, the extent of a region, and the extent of any linear feature can be described precisely with the help of parallels and meridians. Let us see how to use the graticule for this purpose. Verify the following description with the help of a world map or a globe in the school. While describing the location of a place, we need to consider only one parallel and one meridian. Example, Delhi is located at 28 degrees 36 minutes 50 seconds north latitude and 77 degrees 12 minutes 3 seconds east longitude. For describing the extent of a region, we need to consider two parallels and two meridians at the extreme ends of the region. For example, the extent of Australia is described as 10 degrees 30 minutes south to 43 degrees 39 minutes south latitude and 113 degrees east to 153 degrees east longitude. For describing the extent of linear features like a river, road, etc., we need to consider the latitude and longitude of the terminal points. For example, the river Nile in Africa originates in Lake Victoria, flows north, and meets the Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in Egypt. The location of Lake Victoria is 0 degree 45 minutes 21 seconds south latitude and 33 degrees 26 minutes 18 seconds east longitude. Similarly, the location of Alexandria is 31 degrees 12 minutes north latitude and 29 degrees 55 minutes 07 seconds east longitude. These latitudes and longitudes are considered to describe the extent of the river Nile. This extent is from 0 degree 45 minutes south latitude and 33 degrees 26 minutes east longitude, that is origin, to 31 degrees 12 minutes north latitude and extent of Brazil. Longitude defines the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia. What would be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spreads from 5 degrees 15 minutes north to 33 degrees 45 minutes south latitude? Answer. 73 degrees 59 minutes west to 34 degrees 47 minutes west longitude would be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spreads from 5 degrees 15 minutes north to 33 degrees 45 minutes south latitude. In which hemispheres does Brazil extend in the north-south direction? Answer. Brazil extends in the north and the south hemisphere in the north-south direction. In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the east-west direction? Answer. Brazil extends in the west hemisphere in the east-west direction. Which parallels and meridians should be used to describe the extent of river São Francisco? Answer. From 21 degrees south parallels and 47 degrees 30 minutes west meridian to 7 degrees 30 minutes south parallels and 36 degrees 30 minutes west meridians should be used to describe the extent of river São Francisco. Describe the location of Marajo Island using the graticule. Answer. Location of Marajo Island using graticule can be described as follows. 0.04 minutes north parallels and 51 degrees west meridian. On 2 days in a year. Other areas of the earth never get perpendicular rays. The parallels at 23 degrees 30 minutes north and 23 degrees 30 minutes south of equator are called Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn respectively. The parallels at 66 degrees 30 minutes north and south of the equator are also important parallels. In the area between these two parallels throughout the year, daytime lasts within the limit of 24 hours. These are called the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle respectively. Depending on the seasons, daytime, that is, sun being visible in the sky, can be greater than 24 hours in the areas between the polar circles and the poles. The maximum duration of the sun's appearance in the sky can be of 6 months at the poles based on the seasons. During this period, the sun continues to move in a spiral on the horizon. We have seen in Standard 5 that the Earth's axis is inclined. These important parallels arise because of its inclination by 23 degrees 30 minutes. Due to the duration and intensity of sunlight, different temperature zones are formed on the Earth. These zones give rise to pressure belts. Variation in the intensity of sunlight leads to regional diversity in plant and animal life. The 0-degree longitude or prime meridian is an important meridian. The main purpose of this is to fix the global standard time and coordinate the standard times of different countries. This meridian is also called as Greenwich Meridian. Global Standard Time is known as GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. The 180 degrees meridian is also important. From the prime meridian, other meridians are marked east and west up to 180 degrees. The 180 degrees meridian lies opposite to the prime meridian. The international date line is marked with reference to this meridian. The equator, as well as all pairs of opposite meridians, form great circles. Great circles are used for finding the minimum distance between any two places on the surface of the earth. Think a little. Which important parallel passes through India? Answer. The Tropic of Cancer passes through India. Which areas do not get perpendicular sun rays? Answer. The northern areas of India that are to the north of the Tropic of Cancer do not get perpendicular sun rays. Which region receives perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year? Answer. The southern region of India, that is to the south of the Tropic of Cancer, receives perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year. Show these regions by different colors on a map of India. Do you know? Vatican City is known as the smallest country in the world. It is spread over an area of 0.44 square kilometers. This country is located within Italy on the Italian peninsula. See the latitudinal and longitudinal difference in the degrees or minutes of latitude or longitude, but the difference is only in seconds. From this, you will get an idea about the use of the smaller units of minutes and seconds in angular measurements. Think a little. 1. Find on the globe the meridians